This is the result. Good morning. So my breakfast is done preparing. So now I'm ready to eat my yummy breakfast. Thank you, Lord, for my breakfast for today. So that's my breakfast. So we going to have a breakfast now. So samsamanin na ako mag-breakfast. So complete my breakfast already. So I have my favorite coffee. So yummy. Thank you, Lord, for my breakfast today. So, of course, very important is my papaya. Kasi nakabili ako ng papayang look like ripe in the sa puno. Nahinog siya sa puno. So yummy. So we have egg. Every day I have 2 eggs. 2 eggs, too yummy. And I have 2 slices or 1 slice of bread. Is enough. And of course, my orange juice. I prepare very yummy breakfast. This one's sweet and sour. My orange juice is sweet and sour. So, samahan nyo ako mag-breakfast. Have a good day to everybody. And good health. Thank you for watching me.